Manipur District Police na Sinduna Award Distribution Ceremony District Headquarter Bisnupurda ngasi pangthokre thaurum gi saruk ama oina Police Community Liaison Group PCLG District Police BDF Band Unit amasung Traffic Slogan Both Singsu hangdokre State Council of Education and Research and Training Manipur gi mityeng makhada Diet Chandel na Sinduna numit mangani chupna sathagadaba National Initiative for School Teachers Head Holistic Advancement gi program ngarangdagi Diet Center Chandel da hogdokre Guwahati na yumbu oiduna sathariba ahumlak suba Khelo India Youth Games 2020 ngasi nungthil Guwahati gi Saru Sajai Stadium da losilagani hojik fawbada Manipur na gold taragani thoi silver taratret bronze taratret punna medal nimfutaruk loduna games asigi tarahumdoi suba mafam kali hojik fawbada Maharashtra na medal chaniga kunthraga mari loduna makokta lairi Thasigi kungatarukta pangthokadoriba Republic Day thauramgi mangoinana akanba section thaurang lokhalingai serekta ngarang numidang Assam gi Saraidio Police Station gi manung chanba Sepe Khathi Chariali da laiba battery yonba dukan amagi mamangda bom ama pokhaikre Asok Apandi yaukibalaite Assam ki Barbeta District ki Bazali Police Station akonba Saulibari village ta sahi tarani thoi khakta ngairiba angang nupa masa amabu apopo mapana miyoi kharaga loinana thangna thinduna hatkre masa hatpa mapa Amir Ali Police na fagatkre Masa khangdaba miyoi kharana hokhiba nongmaijing numit ki numidangda Assam gi Dhubri District ki manung chanba Gauripur Town gi bus stand manak laiba State Bank of India SBI ATM dagi lupa lakh nimphugani thoi huran kre hairi Citizenship Amendment Act CAA gi mayokta Northeastern University Student Fraternity na ngasi Northeast ki state single lairiba college amadi university singda Lauthokiba total shutdown khongjang sangsinkre All Nagaland College Student Union amadi Dimapur Naga Student Union DNSU nasu ngasi mahiloi singda total shutdown chathekre Guwahati dasu mahiroi singna khongjang sangsilli Citizenship Amendment Act CAA gi mayokta Supreme Court lakhiba wakat chamaga nimfu rom hena ngasi Supreme Court ki Chief Justice S.A. Bobre yauna Justice S. Abdul amadi Justice Sanjeev Khan gi bench amana tagadori wakasing aduda Indian Union Muslim League IUML amadi Congress ki luchingba Jairam Ramesh anina CAA gi mayokta thangalakwa wakatsu yaure